details, but this for some reason is just not working. I don't know why.
Are you sending people? Where are you sending people to? A landing page?
Yes.
Which page on the site?
Okay. Let me move this panel out the way. Here.
Okay, and all right, and then what happens when somebody clicks buy now? Okay, so go to your ads manager, change, and then let's hit create. Were we able to choose a purchase conversion campaign? Hit conversions, and then hit continue. And then choose hit next. Yeah. And then, where's your pixel at? Do you have a pixel set up?
I have a pixel set up, but the thing is keep on saying it's like not connected or shared somewhere else.
Okay. Let's see here. So what we need to do is go to settings. The reason your campaigns aren't converting is because the pixel's not even here. So in your pixel settings, we need to go to connected assets. And that's your ad account?
Yes, Advanced Credit Doctor.
Okay, and then we need to add yourself to this so you can manage it. And let's just double check your pixel real fast. While we do that, we're gonna open up your ad account, go in your ads manager. All right, we need to review these events real fast. You need to verify your domain, What's your site hosted on?
GoDaddy.
Okay, DNS text record. You're just gonna copy this, go to GoDaddy.
Me type in GoDaddy?
Yeah, go to your GoDaddy. And then just log in.
Let me see. I gotta get there. I have to use Safari to like automatically just log in like that. Can you still see this screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it text to your phone?
Yeah, I don't know. This is probably the lady that run a website, but yeah, this ain't my let me see, this is
Okay.
number.
All right, so what you're gonna do whenever you can log into GoDaddy, can you pull back open Chrome where we had all that pulled up?
Yeah.
All right. Once you're able to log in, you're gonna follow these steps, okay? You're gonna verify this. Here, I'm gonna leave this tab open. You're gonna verify that. Then after that, you're gonna come back here and you're gonna click. After it's been verified, after you like hit the verify domain, it says verified up here.
Yeah.
You'll come here, press refresh, click this, and then you're going to choose the events you want to activate. And you're essentially going to choose like purchase, view content, add to cart. Okay. And then you're going to hit the save button. All right. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come back to your ad account, launch the campaign. You're going to choose a campaign. You're going to choose conversions. And you're going to select purchase.
Delete all them other ones that I got.
Yeah. Don't run any ads right now. And then on Wednesday, join the call so we can finish the rest of this, because since you've never gone through this process before, you need to be like outlined a little bit more closely. Otherwise, you're just going to waste money. All right. I don't want you to waste money. So you then, optimize for conversions once you actually have all that set up. But you got to go through these couple of steps first. Okay.
All right.
And there's videos on this in my training on how to do this. You just got to go watch them.
All right.
All right. Cool.
Look
Awesome.
at it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.